Quite a finish. All I could say is that one day we felt we would get a sharp reversal that would just keep coming. It turned out today was that day. All I can say is thanks to my wife for choosing today to have a birthday. I missed the whole tail end of this, taking some time out for lunch and spent a little time with her today. So, you know, I was very happy getting back into this 22 area and then go and spend a little time while I was waiting for the afternoon. And then came back in and got the knife down into the 19s and 18s and happy here. And at that point, she still had other things she wanted to do, like, you know, visit some friends and take a swim. And so I missed this whole part of it. And that's the way life is sometimes with timing. We had noted that before I left that I did not want to see the market back up above this 24. And I said even the low might even be in. They just chop. But once we got the knife and then the later part of the afternoon where this thing goes down and then takes out this low at 18 to close the gap, then anything's fair game once it's traveling here. And you know, our key marker today obviously was to hold the IB. Once the IB low broke, then the real key is, if you're looking at, this is a 10-minute chart, this is a 60, is to come back, and the goal was to try to get back and close this gap, and then anything available still. So I'm looking at the daily chart over here, and I can see we're finally got a good, you know, solid down day coming back into the red line support. And all I can say is this has been a long time coming. And that's why in this business, you need to protect yourself. You just never know when this kind of a day will come out of nowhere. So all of the longs who've been very, very pleased with themselves and felt that, you know, they could do no wrong, today the late Charlies really get a lesson. So we had the right resistance for the afternoon. This red arrow was here. This is where we wanted to stall and come back. And if and this is probably the biggest surprise for me is the finish down here, where this just, the bottom falls out and just takes off. I'm just looking at this for the first time, seeing what happened here. Yeah, we got the same reaction over here in the NASDAQ. So this all followed suit. And angels and demons, you know, come on, we had a gap down here, this 5 gap, 5 to 6 area. So decided to close that one too. So all I can say is this battle right here between the 18 and the 22, when that lets go, it opens it up, and this is a knife just as vicious as what we had the other direction. Let's see. Yeah, we even came through this formation that we've had. So this is the first sign of serious weakness that we've had after all this nonsense, up, up, up. And for those of you who don't keep track, I do. This 1506 area, there's a gap there, and that was last month's high. So that's a nice test to come back in and test that. So these are the kind of things we look at, and I would have to say that this is obviously the best day that shorts have had in a long, long time. Broke through 15-minute chart, and we've come down and finally shown some weakness that we have not seen in a long time. And if you're looking at stochastics, they've been overdone to the long side forever. So finally got the rotation south side, and in this bar, once this came out in the afternoon, this thing just knifes. So this battle clearly was won by the shorts to knock this out. And this is the first time we've seen the umbrella pattern on the south side in a long, long time. So we'll pick it up from here for tomorrow. And I hope you guys had a good day. I know Team E had a good day getting back into 18 test, and we said anything below that was good fortune, and then this guy just goes right into its straight down knife for the end of the day, leaving people at the altar.